Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Whether you are a professional or a home DIYer looking to identify cables, this Fluke Networks IntelliTone Pro is going to really help you get the job done. So this probe is a great way to confirm cable location, cable continuity, and detect cable faults. So we're using it here to detect an Ethernet connection, and you'll be able to hear the sound that it makes to alert you. The signal strength LEDs also help you to determine which cable you're looking for if you have a bundle of cables. You're also able to use this with any other type of wires, so you can add this additional probe and then you can use this with wires instead of with a cable connection. So we are not professional telecom installers, but my husband does have some electrical experience. And with that background, we found that this was user-friendly and we were able to get the job done. So this is a quality product that does a great job, and that's my point of view.